everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Chiliz. What's the current price of Chiliz, what's the price changes occurs in the Chiliz. In this video I will show you, friends, but before starting this interesting video I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Now as you know that the Chiliz price is going down from the previous last 1 week, so a lot of people confused and worrying about that what is going on in the Chiliz. So finally, friends, in this video I will present with the latest update with the latest price of the Chiliz. Let's see, my friends. So friends, the currently latest price of the Chiliz in the market, you can see here 0.239515 USD dollar is the latest currently price of the Chiliz. On the other side, if you look the price changes occurs in the Chiliz, so you can see here that the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, only and only the last 1 week price change is negative. As I told you that the previous changes occurs in the Chiliz is going wrong, and now the current situation is going better. The last 1 hour, the last 1 day price change is going better, friends. So absolutely at this time I'm very happy to Chiliz again start jump. So let's see, my friends, the price chart from Monetization. What's going on in the price chart? You can see now on the screen that is the last 1 month price chart of the Chiliz. You can see here last 1 month, 4 weeks, last 4 weeks price chart you can see now on the screen. So if you look the price chart, you can see here a whole month price is going down. You can see here absolutely the price of the Chiliz is going very badly down, friends. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the whole Chiliz, you can see here that the Chiliz price is going better. You can see here now in the last time, that is the last 1 day price change. As I told you that the last 1 day and last 1 hour the price change is going positive, so that's mean that the Chiliz start moving upward at the last of this month, friends. So I hope that there is a big jump coming soon in the future, friends. So that is why I recommend for everyone that it's time to hold. Absolutely, as you can see here now this time, that is the last 1 month price chart. In last 1 month price changes occur in Chiliz is negative 42.82% negative, friends. So absolutely, if you decide to sell Chiliz at this time, so you are in the loss, friends, because the price change is still negative in the last 1 week. And on the other side, if you decide to hold Chiliz, so maybe there's a lot of chances to take a jump in the future, friends. So that is why I recommend for everyone that it's time to hold, friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Chiliz? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.